Alright, I'm going to start videoing here. Back on the mountain, there's the 3 prongs. And apparently the first time he was in between the last one in the middle. Of course, now it was in the first one in the middle, in between. And then he's right here. So let's see if he's going to line up with those, or is he just going to go straight down? Because every time he appears, he disappears in a different fashion. So let me see if I can find him again, because this is not easy. There he is. To hold the camera up and watch him hide. We want to make sure we get him towards the middle of the screen, because when you get to the top of the screen he appears to vanish. In some cases he has. So we're going to start flashing because it's pretty much getting dark enough. That's funny, he's trying to disappear behind the clouds, so let's flash him. Again. We're going to put a flashing mode. Alright. So we're flashing him. Letting him know that we're acknowledging his existence. Oh, we'd actually like him to come down to engage. Just to see if he actually knows English. I'm pretty sure he does. There he is. He just appeared from behind the cloud. There he is. You can barely see him in that dark cloud. But he's there. So we're sending him flashes right now. As a matter of fact, we are going to send him an SOS. I just switched modes. Let's see what we can do. Still there in the middle. Okay, just went over to the left, it looks like. Where is he on the screen? Okay, he's going behind the cloud again, so you can't see him. There he is. Okay, he looks like he's getting brighter, huh? You can start to almost really see him through the screen now that I'm sending him SOSs. Yeah, he's definitely letting himself be known. So we're going to continue with the SOS flashes. He may understand, he may not, but they're longer light beams and flashes, so he tends to react to those from time to time. Okay, we're going to stop. Give him a second to kind of digest that. Okay, it looks like he's getting brighter. Letting himself be known. Doesn't really look like he's getting scared of me this time, so that's a good thing. So maybe the rapid flashes. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're hitting with the rapid flashes. Looks like he's getting brighter. We're definitely getting a response. Trying to hold still at the same time. Keep the flash on him. It's definitely getting brighter. He's like, oh shit, it's flashing me again. Just stay on top of him. I don't want to disturb the neighbors either. Okay, it's flashing back. Okay, let me stop the flashes. Alright, so we're getting a reaction. Again. It's getting nice and bright too. Keep in mind, he wasn't that bright earlier. Of course, it was a little bit more daylight, but I'm telling you, if this guy wants to shine bright, like super bright, he can do that. Or it, whatever it is, it can do that. So we're going to give it some more time. And then we're going to give it the flashes again. Try to communicate one more time. Well, maybe a couple more times. Now this isn't some type of drone. This is... I don't even think a drone could actually last that long. Especially following me to San Antonio, Texas and back and be up in the air that many hours. It's not possible. And for it to just sit in that one spot for such a long time. He's getting ready to hide from me here in a minute. He's getting ready to hide. See, I wish there was a way I can send some kind of beam, like a peaceful beam. I don't know how they operate. Maybe I should send him a yellow beam instead of a silver looking or white light. Let me try again with the flashes. There we go, we got flashes going now. Almost looks like he's got a little color change there going. I can't really see that good. He's doing some kind of flashing. I was like, oh man, you're beaming me. It's getting dimmer, kind of dims and brightens. It's almost like he's got his little way of flashing me too. Again, I'm in El Paso, Texas, in the central part next to the mountain, called the Franklin Mountain. So he's he's like, hey, stop the flashing, stop the flashing. You know, I'm wondering if it irritates him, but like I said, it looks like there's almost like a red looking flash, like a color change, but I can't really see it with my naked eye. I can somewhat see it through the lens on the screen. Oh, there he goes. He's taking off. He's like, see ya. But as long as I keep attempting to communicate with this guy, and he's going to stay interested. Try to figure out what my intentions are. Am I evil? Am I going to hurt him? Like I said, we had clouds in the sky that were thrown down from airplanes. See, there he goes. He's hiding from me again. He's gone. All right, guys, let me see. He'll come back up here in a little bit. We'll give it some time. He'll come back up. Let me pause it. Let's see if I can pause it. Let's see if I could. I don't know. Let me back away from the mountain. Maybe I can get another sneak peek of him. Ah, there he is. All right. There he is. I just had to back away. Let me see if I can get him. Get him. Where is he? There he is. Right there in the corner. Hit him with the flashes. Yay, he's trying to disappear. He's still there though. Barely see him. Okay. Let me try to get a little bit further. Here we go. Where is he? There he is again. We're gonna hit him with some more flashes. And let him know we're here. There he is. Barely.